Here it is. A full turbo kit, cold side, of course, not hot side, from Max Speeding Rods. And this thing is gonna be pretty awesome. Let's get it open. Side note while I'm opening this, why in the world do all these thinking YouTubers just use the blade for box cutters? I don't understand it. It really annoys me. Maybe that's why they do it, because it's annoying. But I like using the whole box cutter, because then you can use the little stops and only cut just a little bit. But maybe I'm crazy. Very possible. And it must be, oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, there it is. The turbo. Heck yes, I'm freaking pumped. Okay, let me switch this box here real quick. Oh, look at this thing. Sheesh. Oh man, zip tied. Yo. Look at this. Oh yeah. Now this is something. Dang. Wow. So what this is a GT35 from Max Speeding Rods. I don't remember the AR numbers. I'm not really a super turbo guy. But dang, look at that thing. Look at this. Look at that. Whee! You can hear it already. Just like that, right? Oh man, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Dude, look at this thing. T3 flange. Man, this is awesome. So, what it says on the website is, I don't know, it's advertising, right? It says it's good for anything from I think 2.4 liter up to like a 6 liter. And it can give you up to 400 extra horsepower. So what that translates into as far as boost and stuff, no clue. But like what kind of boost levels could you expect from this thing? I'll be honest, I don't know. But maybe you do. Maybe you can let me know in the comments. What we have in the rest of this stuff is all the other little goodies that you would need for a turbo kit. Some large box. Oh, I know what this is. I'll save this for last. I'll save that part for last. Let's see what's on all these little boxes. Oh, okay. If I got this right, this is the blow-off valve. Right? Bleeds off the extra boost in the intake pipe. Very cool. Very cool. We got some little adapter, some hoses and clippy things. You know, a lot of times on these eBay kits, because this is like one of the kits you can get on eBay, everything's really questionable. The only thing I've heard about the eBay kits is that not to use the little accessories. But, I mean, I don't know. That looked pretty good to me. What is this? We got like a little boost gauge. Heck yes, gonna need that. And then some other doohickey and some AN fittings. Sorry, I will be honest, I don't know what this one is. Oh, it's sealed. I'll open it up later on. But maybe you can see from in there some sort of mystery device. I don't actually know what that is. I'll open it up. I'm gonna anyway, so why bother waiting? I'll put it all back. Okay, yeah, what is this mystery device? I legitimately don't know what this is. So, I don't know, maybe that's like the boost controller? Comes with a gauge, so maybe... Nothing's labeled, of course. It just says a bunch of serial numbers. Oh, cool. And so we got some little adapters for the turbo. This must be the oil kit. Yeah, this is like the oil kit, so you can hook up the turbo oil, drain, and feed. Looks like it comes with everything you need. This is really cool. And don't worry, at the end, I'm going to lay it all out so you can look at it. So I can look at it, honestly, because I'm pretty freaking pumped. Oh, cool. A shield. A heat shield for the turbo. That's legit. I like that a lot. That's legit. That's legit. I don't even remember if I knew it came with that. All right, one more. Oh, well, this one had a gasket taped to the roof of the box here. Some sort of diagram that says wastegate air control. Okay, is this the wastegate then? Got some banjo fittings. This thing is really nice and protected. This has got to be the wastegate. From what I understand, this goes on the exhaust, and this is what you can like add dome pressure to increase the boost. This is all just hearsay. I have no experience with this. Like I said, this is cool. Oh man, so cool. I hope no one asks me like questions like in this giveaway, because I am not gonna know what to tell them. So maybe you could help me out. Because someone asked me like the specs, or like, I don't know, like what certain parts are, if it comes with X, Y, and Z. I'm not gonna know what to tell them. All right, so this box is, ooh, sheesh. Look at that thing, man. Whoa, I did not know it. I legit didn't know it came with this. Dang, check this out. It's like an all-in-one. I don't know if you can see there, you got your RPM, oil pressure, water temp, oil temp, some sort of buttons and mystery device over there. Yo, this is cool. Sheesh. Man, all right, I gotta open it, because I'm gonna open it anyway. I gotta open it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look together. I saved this just to do this video for you guys. All right. So, packaging there. Everything's really nicely packaged. What is this? Is that a shift light? It has a shift light. Look, it's got a little oil pressure thing and all the little sensor adapters. Yo, this is cool. This is like a shift light. See in there, can you see that? Yes, no? How about now? You can see that red in there? Excuse me. And this is the sweet little all-in-one gauge. Modes, tacks, things, wires. Sheesh. All right. Dang. That is cool. That is cool. Oh man, I like that. I like that a lot. All right, man, that was, sheesh, look at this. Oh, it's heavy. Dang. It's got the logo cover and everything. I don't know what these little holes for are on the outside, but it looks sick. I almost forgot. Well, I did forget. I wanted to talk to Mrs. Diving Garage, and I remembered as I was talking to her. This box right here, the big one. So if you're a turbo guy, you probably know what this is already. But if you're not, just give me 2 seconds. You're about to find out. If only Ben could cut tape. If only that was one of my useful skills. Oh, interesting. I did not expect that. Da-na-na. It's an intercooler. How cool is that? Get it? Dude, I thought it was going to be aluminum. I mean, like, not, like, of course it's aluminum, but like bare aluminum. I mean, I don't mind that it's gray, but someone else might. Oh, it's got the logo on it. Look at this. Da-na-na. Max speeding rods. That's cool, man. I like this. This thing is sick. Imagine that on the front of your car. Douche. Heck yes. Oh, man. Okay, that was it for real this time.